Hello guys, now I'm going to show you, this is actually the fun part. I'm going to show you how to connect 9 solar panels, 200 watt solar panels together, and then input the solar power into the Superbase Pro via the AC port. This is one and only in the world. Okay, so it's very simple. So it's similar to the 3 panels together. You also connect these 9 panels in series. So this is the last one, or the other ones are already connected. Just very simple. You won't make any mistake because it's already mistake proof. So connect this cable is the MC4 to the AC input cable. Just plug in the negative to the positive here, and then the positive to the negative here. It's really simple. And then you connect the AC input port into the AC input here. That's it. And then you can charge up to 1,800 watts if the